today we are going to do a part 2 of Lego Star Wars. I just have to turn on the controller. Okay. Oh, I just realized it's kind of wide. Like, the TV's kind of wide, like this one.
Yeah.
Everything looks wide, like the controller is wide. It's just a wide controller. On the video, it may look kind of normal. But, like, yeah, it's wide. Just a wide controller.
Mom? Yes. Can I have some milk? Yeah. Filming?
Yes, it is filming. What is...
Shoot. Okay. That
Mom, can I have some milk?
Yeah, I thought you said milk. Oh. I thought you understood what I said.
Okay, so we're going back into our previous game. And yeah. It's already 1 minute in. Gosh. Okay, so this time we don't have to go for, like, all the beginning cutscenes. And this time we're like... Okay, so 42%. Let's visit the new world that we started. We started, like, the beginning world in one level that I took years to finish for some reason. So let's continue this with Coughing Droid Man. I don't know if his name is General Grievous, but I'm just gonna call him Coughing Droid Man. I'm gonna turn this up.
Yeah, it's not very loud.
Okay, I feel like this guy is gonna be all about the... Oh, come on. Good. Get in the booster thing. Get... Yes. Okay, good. Go into here. Oh, great. Okay, it's harder. Good. Okay, that's nice to know this time. Oh, this guy's a Jedi? Okay, that's good. To know. Okay, flip the lever. Don't. Ow, jeez. Am I dead? Oh, I got her. Okay. Ow, nope. Oh, he's right. Ah, that's nice to know. Ooh. Aha, get the hearts back. And get back to the ship. Okay, this time it's going a lot faster with the laser cannon. Hit that. Hit that. And there's one more. All the way up there. Okay. Yeah, I'm just launching that out of space. Okay. How do I speed up? Oh, with A. Okay, that's good to know. There should be this that I need to enter. And shoot that. I'm a professional at this, don't worry, I also have a license. Okay, that's one part done. Now a second painful part is next. Okay, apparently, get in there. It just laser shot us or something. Right, they're trying to shoot us. What are these for? Wait. Huh? I gotta get out of here. What? Why is there a chain? Okay. Nah. Bad droids. Bad droid. Bad droid. Yes, get all hearts. And levitate him to death. Okay. Is there some other part here I'm missing? Like, this happened in the other level. Oh, gosh. Okay, over here. Okay, they made it obvious with a trail of coins. Ah, no! Flip the lever! Got the blue coin back. Wait, we need kill those and what that hurt because I don't even know what that really does. It's an interactive, but we might do a Rayman video like in our other channel. Like we could do Rayman. Nope. Hey. No. Gosh, I'm a professional at this. Don't worry. Get out of there. Get you too. No. Okay, they hid the coins with a giant bulb light. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Get out of here and recollect. What? Oh, come on. There's more I had to do. Dude, no. Just go. Run. There's no running at all anyways. Okay. Nice to know. Whew. Okay, we've got that lever done. What? Is it just blocked by... What? Is the laser cannon doing something that we don't like? Okay, I don't know what the laser cannon is doing, apparently. Do I have to shoot the laser cannon? Get out, laser cannon. Bad laser. Okay. Oh, okay. They can be shot at. They just don't really die. Okay, they can die. Okay, that's what we need. Get those coins, because those are helpful when getting whatever, I guess. Get this dead. Let's go. We killed all of the laser things and collected coins. I'm a professional. Ooh, backflip. It's okay. All the way over here as they're shooting like miniguns of death. Shoot that. Bye. Oh, one more. Cool, okay. Is there a fifth one? What do they need now? Okay, there's gotta be more at the bottom or something. Alright, I have boosters of death. It has one more. Okay, they just made me go over here. Okay. All the way. Okay. Holy moly. At this point, like, the ship is getting hit by space debris at this point. Oh, crap. There's there's a thing I gotta shoot here. I don't want that.
Oh, you can get hit out of space. I just did a backflip. I don't know why. Speedrunner, I guess. I'm not good at this. Oh, get out of here. Use rockets to advance it. Hey, get that purple thing. There we go. And over here is a lacking object. Okay, we can escape now by launching one of these straight into its face. Okay. Cool. Wait, could I have just used the previous one instead of like going all through this? Okay. Oh my gosh. This better be it. Okay, so we got our rocket ship. Oh, we got R2D2. Oh, wait, we already had him, but wait. I swear that's way shorter than the last level we played. Luke, why did Adeline Lucas I don't know. Why did he just randomly crash into there? Go break 3 out of 1 shine system updating our launch. Okay, good. We are not a true Jedi at all. Okay. So now we can build this new area. Right, okay. We're not. No! It kidnapped me! Okay, it kidnapped me. I gotta get back. Because it kidnapped me. Okay. I remember the end of this game. Destroy Mavolins. The end of this game is insane. I don't know when we're going to get the end of this. We're probably going to do 2 levels again here. But oh, it's only 13? Okay, this is actually cool. We're starting off here again. Wait, okay, so that is exploding intensely. Okay, we gotta save them from the ship. Because they love abducting ships. Oh! Ooh! Okay, this is different! Move that out. I don't know what that does. What does that ever do for us? Like, okay, those are just extra Easter egg things. We don't have a clone trooper, but ow! That's bad. Hope this gives us a heart. Oh, it's just to explode. Okay. Does me have death. Oh, I fell through a crap. Okay. Oh, I hate this level. I hate this so much. Well, I don't know if I hit it. This is just... I remember this being annoying for me. No, why are you flying back? Wow, okay. Yeah, you could have actually kept yourself safe. Okay, I guess he's brave. Destroy these guys. Bye, and... Hello, coins. Hello, drones that are going to explode. And hello, R2D2. Oh! Can lift it. Lift R2D2 and eat him. Eat him. Come back, R2D2. Oh gosh. Get out of here, droids. Nope. Slam dunk and whack on the head. And berserk. Nope. I need that for haha. Okay, this is... Oh, I think this is what I hated. Yeah, this is what I hated about the level. Where does it even... Okay. There's where it went. Yeah, this is what I hated. Surely. Okay. Can I just go on that pink thing and get those coins? So we're gonna need those. Yeah, okay, good. Oh! What? Hey! What's that down there? Oh, there's a secret. No, Okay, I need to press jump button and not die. Because that's bad. Die. Oh, I'm probably gonna need R2D2. What is that down there? I'm just wasting coins. This is how I... Okay, that's just entirely unachievable. I don't even know how to get that. Slab walk. I think that's her name. Oh, woo, crap. I am losing money. The droid has the weird animation now. Are you kidding me? How much am I going to miss little boy? No, hey, take R2D2 with you, droid. No, R2D2, you're supposed. No! Are you kidding me? R2D2, launch. No, I missed. I'm missing so much. No, I don't need you. I need R2. Ah! What is this? No, I need you, R2D2. Throw you at. It's funny because you can actually do that. Is it asking me to hit the droid? And I already technically did that. Hello. What? Ooh. Are you? What? Okay. Ooh. Oh my. Hey. Wait a minute. What is that? What is that? Okay, I'm finding errors in there. Lots of errors. Can I just hit the object? No, I need to throw R2D2 across it. Oh, come on! R2D2, you're gonna have to make a big jump before the train comes. No! No! Haha! You missed, train! Okay. This is why I hate this level. I can see why I hated this so much now. Dude, I'm gonna bring that with me. Yeah, you're coming with me. This is what we all need now. This. No. You're gonna come in here. Oh. On. That's all you do. Okay, that's all you do. I just died. Okay. Is there anything that's a use for us here? Do I just need to switch to R2D2? Is that all I need to do? Help, I'm R2D2 and I'm trapped here. Okay. Wait, I wonder if R2D2 has his own little glitch. I wonder. Okay, that just saps you anyways. Okay, never mind, they don't. Okay, I have 0 coins because of that singular object. What do I have to hit? The train? That? What? You've gotta be kidding me. Where is this thing? What do I hit? Do I hit that? Do I hit that? And that? They sure make a lot of money compared to what I've lost right now. Yeah, definitely. Okay. I'm just gonna use R2D2, and you're gonna help me. By yeet? Okay, they just have a death barrier there. That's nice then. What do we do? That stops there because they're smart. R2D2. What is that about? Can you tell me? Tell me? R2D2. What? Are you serious? I spent. Wait, did I spend an entire. Like. I better have not spent an entire 5 minutes on that singular thing. Oh my gosh. This really makes me mad. sea? Are we... We're on a crane now. Hold... Oh, that's what we have to do. Come. Oh. Well, that's helpful. I thought we could get this secret little, like, brick kit thing. But never mind. Okay. Get out. I don't need to ever see you. No, they're killing us. Oh, we need you. You looked like you had a lost leg in that thing. Before we entered a cutscene. I swear, if there was only a clip of... Ow! Fire is not good. Okay, that's good. Okay, R2-D2, we got the pipes connected. Now we can open the door. What? Connect the... Oh. Connect the pipes more, I guess. Ooh, the fire. Okay, just pipes can despawn. Was that... What? Okay, good thing they showed me that there was that. What? Okay, R2-D2, now you can open the door. Ooh, they use this feature. Okay. Oh. Ooh! Can we... Never mind. Well, that doesn't help. Ooh, what's that up there? We might need C3PO. Oh, gosh! I'm glad he's only for scanning things. Like, gosh, if he was for fighting... He doesn't even have a fighting thing. Gosh, R2-D2 is better than him. He's only smart. Like... Okay, do I have to... Stop. What do I need here? Okay, maybe this isn't the section we need. Maybe it's a different... Okay. But why was there a... Oh wait, never mind. That was R2-D2. Ah. Oh, those are just sprinklers up there, actually. Okay. I'm just gonna destroy everything until I get something that's very, very useful and would have been a nice thing if I just destroyed Fuck. Okay, at least it's not that slow. No, C3PO, C3PO. No, I'm trying to. He's entirely defenseless if he's getting attacked. What is that driver thinking? Oh, there's actually a death for that. Okay, that's. Why was he all like lightsaber when all we had to do to destroy it was that? Holy moly, that giant thing turned into this small little cubby for R2D2? The windows are safe. Oh. Oh. Okay, get the other one, get the other one. Unlocked. Okay, good. Hang on. No, puzzles a bit better than my younger self. No, you don't see me. No, hide, 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 hide. Yeah, throw that. Throw our hiding spot. Good, good. Oh crap! No, 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 no. No! Oh, they're over here. Kill them all, kill them all. Oh, that's where it went. Well, he fell. Push him off the edge. Wow, R2D2 is actually way more useful than C3PO. Okay. Back over here. Back over here. Yeet myself like a. Okay. Attack him. Attack him. Push him off. Drowsy. You're feeling very sleepy. Ew. Is there like some. Oh! Okay. Yeah, he can't jump that far though. Well, he can jump far, he just can't jump high. Okay. Now, that's. And that powers off this section. It makes this section sleepy and not that enough to power the entire place down. R2D2, you're free to go over there. Okay. This is really Oh, thank goodness. R2D2 just hit the. Nope. Sorry, R2D2. Wow, R2D2 moves fast. Way faster. Gosh. No. No, not coughing droid man. Oh, come on. He's here now. Get out of here, coughing droid man. No, coughing droid man, no. Oh, come get him. No. Bad coughing droid man. Where'd he go? Oh, ah! That scared me. So hard. Oh. Coughing droid man. Coughing droid man. You're doomed. What? Did he just throw me? You can hit him. Oh! Okay, R2D2 isn't too good than C3PO at PvP. Ooh. Power down. Power down. Stop shooting lasers. Stay powered. No. Oh, no. Die. Haha. Now you're dead too. Now that those are dead, can we shoot him with a barrel? Oh, now we can. Now we can stuff his barrel. No, don't. That scared me so hard. That scared me so hard. I thought he was gonna punch me again. Throw me. Okay. Oh great. Are we going to have to destroy more? Okay, good. We're not gonna have to destroy more. Oh, it unlocks these areas. Oh, we're doomed. But, why does BB-8 get all like the power? Is that no, BB-8's the small one. R2D2 is this. BB-8 is in like a different universe type thing. I don't know. He's not in the Clone Wars, so BB-8 is just the guy. Nope! You kicked me off. Okay. R2D2. We're gonna have to throw a box at him again. Okay. Destroy their shields. Cool. Smack him to death, bitches. Get you out of here. Bye-bye. You're a lot weaker than last time, mister. R2D2, we gotta get out. Out of here. Yeet. Bye. Wait, where's R2D2? Oh no, no, I switched in. Oh wait, maybe the R2D2 didn't fall down here. Maybe this is like a different thing and we just finished the other one. Okay, these are entirely different characters. Green, yellow, red. Yellow up here. Wait, red at the tippy. Yellow? Are you green? I wonder what yellows do. Okay, I guess I glued yellow. Why is that Ned Pack so easy? No, okay. C3PO. Gosh, you're slow. And gosh, your mini game. You have a mini game. R2D2 is way less mini game. No, not. Oh, C3PO. Oh, they even shoot at C3PO. They even shoot at him, unlike R2D2, who's like basically ignored in the mission. Robo Nenso. Oh, what? Do we need him? C3PO is just getting shot endlessly. You gotta shoot the others now. C3PO. No. No. He's so slow. Come on, you can do it. Okay, get the machine. I forgot you have a mini game. No. I get it. Get that. No. Get that. Gosh, C3PO. Gosh, you're annoying. No. Oh. Get out. Get away. Hide. C3PO. You can't even go up a ledge? Wait, what? No, wait, C3PO? I have to push him up a ledge to Oh, he can't even. Dude, he's so weak in this. They did C3PO so wrong. I feel like in the actual movies, though, he's like the most important character you could ever have. Like, that's what I feel when I see 3PO, not like a slow guy whose only purpose is a minigame. That, like, in the movie, he literally is supposed to be better than R2D2, I think. I don't know, like, R2D2 is like, friend, and then he, like, went for the sandy dune or something. Or R2D2 went for the sandy dune. I don't know. But, like, there was something. Are you kidding me? I'm helping you. Are you okay? Yeah, bro. Wait, did you? C3PO is so bad. He's so bad in the game that literally she started killing C3PO. What? Oh no, Okay, so this is a big challenge. Load or something. Dispenses coins. That's good. What do we do now? Doesn't seem to work. But do I have to click this? No, that doesn't work. Okay. What do I do now? Do I escape? Oh, I escape, I guess. No. They just want us stuck here. Okay. We just kill everything. Oh no, they just dispense. Gosh. So just dispense it. These terrible things. Down. C3PO, what did you do? Wait, did you free us all? Did this guy just open the elevator? He was over there doing whatever he wanted. And the elevator just... C3PO, you're the hero for some reason. I don't... Gosh, C3PO. That's the fastest I've seen him walk. Yeah, at least... Actually, everybody was walking slow. No, coughing droid man, no. Oh, coughing droid man's still alive. Okay, that's good. Okay. So we have a coughing droid man versus our great players. Free play unlocked. True Jedi, Stud Turtle, Mini Cat, and Gold Bricks. Continue the story. Okay, so this is how long. Okay, we're probably gonna end the video here. I might make a part 3 very earlier than this part 2. So yeah, I'm gonna make it around the same day actually, just so that it's separate videos and easier to watch. But yeah, this is it. Yeah.